There it is. I'm gonna end up setting up a timer. I'm gonna try to get this repair done in under 10 minutes. That little black mark, if you guys can see it, that's what we're fixing. That's why we're having to change this LCD out. And it's just like, so just for entertainment purposes, I'm gonna try to like crack this guy. Anyways, I wonder if you break this glass. Holy shit. Damn. It's doing pretty good. Try not to damage the inside. That is crazy. It's pretty impressive. Damn. That's wild. Damn, that's crazy. Well, it's still working so far. That's just insane. There it is. Damn, about time, huh? Wild. Anyways, so that's what an LCD does after you fucking smash it enough times. But now we've broken the integrity there. Ooh. Ooh, I don't want to stab the battery. Oh. Now that we have a properly damaged LCD, right? Now that our LCD is properly damaged, I feel better about changing this thing out, right? Ready, set, go. I'm even gonna give myself a little like leeway or handicap here. That's the LCD. There it is. Alright, 2 bottom screws first. Boom. Take that out. Hitting them bottom screws first. How much time we got? Wow. Oh shit. Man, this one won't turn off. Hold on. Hold on, I gotta turn my fucking always on. Alright. My bad. Timer's still running. That's on my time. Alright, I got a minute. Minute into this, I haven't even gotten the screen off yet. Alright, there it goes. Boom. Again, if you haven't seen the screen, that's the screen right there. Bam. Pull that guy open. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tri-star screws here. I don't want this line to turn off music to something that's not copyright. Alright. 3, 4, 5. Alright, take this guy out of here. The back plate for the LCD. Pop that cable. Pop that cable. Pop that cable. Boom. Set that aside. Alright, there's our cracked up LCD. Now I gotta take off the Face ID sensor. Boom. 1 tri-star. 3 Phillips. This is crazy. My tools are falling off. Time we looking at 2 minutes, 2:30. Shit, what did I say? 10 minutes? No, yeah, I'll be alright. Man, I'm not doing a very good job of doing this very fast, but I'm still gonna beat the 10 minutes here. Alright, taking our sensors out. Boom, there's that. Fuck that shit, right? Don't need that. Alright, boom, got our new one. take this little plastic protector off. We're going to lay our sensor down in the sensor slots here. Got that. All right. Let's start with our Phillips here. We got 3 of these guys. 1, 2, 3, and 1 TriStar that's giving me a little trouble. Boom, LCD is together. Now we just gotta pop this guy on. Smash it together, right? Just kidding. That's not how you put it on. Alright, first thing we gotta do is position our Face ID flex connector. You know, when I talk and describe components inside a phone, I feel like, you know, the next thing I'm gonna say is like flux capacitor. Flex connector, flux capacitor, it's pretty similar. Alright, so I got those guys connected. Boom, I always like to check it before I get it, actually put the back plate on. So I'm going to do what they call a soft reset, which is just getting the phone to power cycle. Let's see if it's going to do it. Boom, it did. There's the Apple logo. It's always like a oh shit moment, right? If you don't see that Apple logo, you look kind of stupid. You're like, what the fuck? Where did I fuck up at, right? Anyways. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and keep going. What time am I at? Anybody see what time I'm at? It's not like I can hear you guys. I'm at 5 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm almost done with this bad boy, and I'm just kind of bullshitting. That's pretty damn good, right? So the screw I picked to start out with is really just whichever one is the easiest to hold this bad boy down. Once it's down, the rest of the screws are really easy to put in. I just need one to hold it in position, basically. You know, slow is fast, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. You ever heard that? Couldn't be more true than with phone repairs. Like, you try to rush something, you're gonna cost yourself several minutes, if not hours. So, just easier to just methodically get it all done. Boom. See that? Bam. Close that bitch up. You see how? Yes. I can use this on, even though it's open. Isn't that cool? It's not even on the actual frame. Anyways, I'm gonna close this bad boy up. Where am I at? 7 minutes? Shit, we could have got that done in under 5. Then you may have your technicians out there being like, oh, you didn't apply the adhesive strip around the edge of the LCD. Well, you know, it doesn't do much, right? You're like, oh, it's the waterproofing. Yeah, good luck. Good luck replacing the actual Apple waterproofing. You know, it's possible. It's just, it's not really super effective. Anyways, here we are. Bam. Oh yeah, 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Adios, amigos. Thanks for joining me.